Hello everyone, it's me, Srishti. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are safe at home because our country is going through a very tough time. So please support our country, take the vaccination on time and stay home, stay safe. So today in this video, we will make zentangle art pattern. So let's get started. Now just follow the step that I'll do here. I'm using gel pen here. That's it for today guys. I hope you guys are enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then you have to do only 3 things. That is like, share and subscribe. And tell me in the comment section that what's your opinion or review in this pattern. And lastly, for more updates, follow me on my Insta or Twitter. Link in the description box. Bye bye. Love you all. See you in the next video.